In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the home page in Shopify. Head to online store and then choose the store that you want to customize. Click on customize, and on the top corner right here, make sure you choose the home page. To customize the home page, you will be able to click on the section you'd like to customize, add in a description, change the heading size, change what the heading is saying, popular products, for example, or most sold products. You can even change the description style, change the collection. To change a color, choose a text, for example, and you will be able to change the color from the right side right here. To remove a block, click on the bottom right corner. To access the theme settings on the left side, you'll be access colors, anything like that. It will be even to change the text colors from here. And then finally, to save your changes on the top right corner, click on save, and then you will be good to go. Keep in mind that you can also change the structure of your website by clicking the section and then clicking either the move to the next position or move to the upper position, which is the previous position. You can even choose specific stuff like this one, and I would like to actually delete it. You can preview your website by clicking here and clicking preview or view, and that's basically it. To go back, all you have to do is click on this go back arrow, and to change the view is click on here and change to mobile, for example, or tablet or full screen, whatever it is. That's basically it, and goodbye.